Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be taking a look at what is meant by the tangent of an angle in a right triangle. So in your notebook, please put down today's subtitle, Tangent of an Angle in a Right Triangle. As the title implies, the tangent of an angle is applicable to right triangles only, and no other triangle. The definition of the tangent of an angle is quite simple. The tangent of an angle represents the ratio of the side that is opposite of the angle under investigation versus the adjacent side. In order to illustrate this definition, please take a moment to prepare the following example. Go ahead, pause the video now, and prepare the diagram. In this example, the angle under investigation will be the 50 degrees. This means that, according to the definition of the tangent of an angle, the tangent of 50 degrees will be equal to the ratio between the side that is opposing the 50 degrees, in this case the 8 centimeters, versus the side that is adjacent to the 50 degrees, in this case the 6.71 centimeters, thereby producing a result of approximately 1.1922. Now what does this mean? It means that in this triangle, where the 50 degrees is under investigation, the length of the side that is opposite to the 50 degrees is approximately 119.2% of the side that is adjacent to the 50-degree angle. Using a calculator, if you were to punch in tan of 50 degrees, it will also produce a result of approximately 1.192. This means that in a right triangle where the angle under investigation is 50 degrees, no matter how long the opposing side is, it will always be 119.22% of the length of the adjacent side. Let's take a look at another example to illustrate this definition. Please take a moment to prepare the following diagram. In this diagram, the angle under investigation will be the 30 degrees. According to the definition of the tangent of an angle, the tangent of 30 will be equal to its opposing side, in this case the 20 meters, divided by its adjacent side, in this case the 34.6 meters, which will produce a ratio of approximately 0.578. This means that in a right triangle where the angle under investigation is 30 degrees, the length of the side opposite to the 30 degrees will always be around 57.8% of the length of the adjacent side. Using a calculator, if you were to punch in tan of 30 degrees, it would also produce a result of approximately 0.577. This means that in a right triangle, if the angle under investigation is 30 degrees, then the length of its opposing side will always be around 57.7% of the length of its adjacent side. To generalize this relationship, we may conclude that in a right triangle, the tangent of an angle under investigation will always equal to the ratio of its opposing side versus its adjacent side. And that's all there is, ladies and gentlemen, to what is meant by the tangent of an angle in a right triangle.